Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some rustic farmhouse decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Rustic farmhouse decor is a warm, inviting decorating style that blends country charm, natural textures and vintage simplicity to create a cozy, lived-in atmosphere. It celebrates the beauty of aged materials, handcrafted details, and rural life while keeping the space functional and comfortable. Here's a detailed breakdown of what defines rustic farmhouse decor. Natural materials. Rustic farmhouse decor emphasizes authenticity. You will often see reclaimed wood for beams, walls, or furniture, stone, brick, and metal accents, cotton, linen, burlap, and wool textiles for a homely feel. These materials give the space warmth and character, showcasing imperfections as part of its charm. Artsy color palette. The rustic farmhouse look favors soft, muted tones that create calm and warmth. Whites, creams, beige, warm grays, and browns. Accents of muted greens, blues, or black. This palette keeps the space feeling open and timeless. Vintage and distressed furniture. Furniture pieces often have a weathered or time-worn appearance. Distressed wood tables and cabinets. Farmhouse dining tables with turned legs. Vintage metal bed frames or wooden benches. Antique or repurposed storage pitches. Every item tells a story. Mixing new and old pitches adds authenticity. Cozy and layered textures. Soft and cozy layers make the home inviting. Knitted throws, quilted blankets, and cushioned seating. Woven baskets and jute rugs. Mix of rustic wood and soft fabrics. The contrast of hard and soft textures balances the space beautifully. Farmhouse accessories. Small details bring the rustic farmhouse style to life. Mason jars, vintage pictures, or enamelware for vases. Galvanized metal planters or milk cans. Wooden crates, old sinks, or antique clocks. Small floral arrangements or greenery. Mix old and new gracefully. Don't make your home look like a museum. Balance is key. Combine modern lighting or sofas with antique tables or vintage chests. Use rustic accents like wooden leather or barn doors to add farmhouse personality to updated spaces. This creates that perfect, collected over time feeling. Bring the outdoors in. Farmhouse style is inspired by country living, so nature should always play a part. Use potted herbs, dried flowers, or simple greenery in mason jars or tin buckets. Display wood slices, pine cones, or oven baskets for organic texture. Choose natural scents like lavender, eucalyptus, or vanilla for warmth. Thanks for watching this video.